Up in the North Pole, Santa and his elves are preparing for the holiday season. Cookies are baking, hot cocoa is brewing, and toy production is in full swing. But things didn't always used to be this easy. Before switching to AVEVA, Santa had no time for anything but preparation. He had no insights in his factory or productions, and couldn't track anything. There was no quality control, and no hope on how to attain it. Luckily, Santa received a gift himself one fine Christmas morning. He opened his AVEVA software suite and was surprised by the endless solutions and possibilities inside. Now Santa gathers data from the production floor and measures his OEE with AVEVA software. The elves use work tasks to stay connected and predictive analytics to catch errors before they occur. Now, not only can Santa finally have some time to himself, he can check on his operations from his phone. While delivering packages to children all around the world, the elves can track progress and any lost or gained time on their night's journey with their unified operations center. And oh, what fun it is to track that efficiency!